To fix cannot find Go to Studio shortcut on Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you can try to check whether the Go to Studio option has been accidentally disabled. To do so, open Gallery app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen to the bottom, tap Gallery Labs, and then tap the gray on off switch next to Go to Studio until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, tap the back key twice, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right. As you can see, now Go to Studio shortcut is displayed here again. You can tap the shortcut to edit or create a project. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.